Hi, I'm Brigitte.
And I'm Scott.
And we chose to build the Barcelona with boutique homes in the Armstrong Villawood estate.
Mount Dunedin.
Mount Dunedin.
We immigrated to Australia about 9 years ago.
Purchased a block of land in Torquay. We had a lovely view. We were going to be building in an estate where we've got architectural review committees. I wanted to see if we could find a builder where we don't necessarily have to go custom design. We went to the Warralilly Display Village, and the moment I walked into that Barcelona, I just knew it was going to be the perfect fit for the block. Beautiful big windows at the back that would look out onto the lake, lovely big windows in the living area. We just loved it so much. We then decided to sell it 18 months later, and we enjoyed the process so much and decided why not do it again. We actually wanted to find land that would specifically suit the Barcelona. We wanted a slightly bigger block so that we had the option of putting in a pool. We wanted the pool in an area where we would basically get the northern sun all day, which we've managed to achieve.
Part of our mission when we found this block was to have a barbecue area leading onto the pool and also in close proximity to the kitchen, because we've got a business called Woodsmoke Gourmet and we import cooking planks, spices, rubs and salts along with maple syrup. I'll be spending a lot of time out there. It flows so well from the kitchen to the barbecue area.
My favourite part, I must say, is the kitchen. I even dragged our son Jonathan during the time we were renting to the display home over in Fyonsford, and I said, I just want to go and visit the Barcelona in Fyonsford so I can see the kitchen. It's the heart of our home. It's the central hub. Lovely big bench areas. It's got so much space. I actually don't have enough things in the kitchen to put in all the cupboards. Second time round, we've decided we want to add a fireplace. It's something that just makes that home so cozy and homely. There's something about the Barcelona, the flow of it, the centralness of the kitchen, the separate section where the kids are, bedroom in the front.
For me, it's just very easy to live in.
It feels right.
I like how we kind of have our bedrooms to ourselves.
Away from the parents.
I like the pool.
You just know when something just feels right, and the Barcelona feels right. I like a single-story home, living on the ground, seeing out my windows and seeing the garden. Yeah, the Barcelona just ticked all the boxes.